If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Latitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjv.com, stock number 90409B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.